In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and associate multiple objects in HubSpot. Whether you're managing contacts, companies, or tickets, this step-by-step guide will make the process streamlined and efficient. Imagine having all your important data in one place without the hassle of manual entry. Let's dive in and simplify the way you manage your HubSpot records, ensuring everything is set up accurately. First things first, you need to log into your HubSpot account. Preparing your files for import is crucial, so make sure they're formatted correctly. This typically means CSV files, where each column clearly defines the data to be imported, such as names, email addresses, or ticket numbers. Now that you're ready, let's move on. Within HubSpot, locate the Data Management section, and from there, head over to Imports. This is your control center for bringing in new data. Once you're there, find the option that says Import from File and give it a click. You're then going to want to select Start Import. At this point, HubSpot will ask if you're bringing in a single file or multiple files. It's your choice, depending on how you've organized your data. For instance, if you've separated contacts and companies into different files, select Multiple Imports. Next, decide on the objects you'll be importing. This means choosing between contacts, companies, tickets, or any other object HubSpot supports. This selection will help you keep your data organized on the platform. After selecting your objects, click Choose a File and navigate to the files you prepared earlier. Select them for upload and let HubSpot do its magic. As your files are uploaded, HubSpot will guide you through mapping the columns in your file to its own property fields. This is a vital step. HubSpot needs to understand exactly where the data from each column in your file should go. For each column, simply match it to the corresponding object and property within HubSpot. Don't rush this part. Accurately matching columns ensures your data will appear correctly in the system. Once every column is properly mapped, click Next. You're almost at the finish line. Review your choices to ensure everything looks good, then hit Finish Import. HubSpot will start the import process, and in a short while, all your data will be integrated into your system. Congratulations, you've just imported and associated multiple objects in HubSpot efficiently. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure your HubSpot database remains up to date and fully accurate. Feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in HubSpot.